It is now 11:15 on this Friday night. Betsy Kling is here. Saw a lot of sunshine in that 10-day.
We actually have such a stunning forecast that we are set up for. All eyes right now are kind of on the southeastern U.S. They are keeping a very close eye on the tropics. I'm going to break all of it down for you in the forecast. But let's stay close to home first because we do have a pretty nice weekend setting up. Clear skies expected overnight. That will allow some fog to form. May have a few areas where the fog is dense. So just a heads up for early morning drivers. Temperatures are going to be in the 50s, but quickly rising. There is already some rain that is ongoing down in the Carolinas that has zero to do with the tropical system that's probably coming northward next week. But you can see the clouds that are associated with that streaming northward, and we may see some of those clouds come over northern Ohio tomorrow. So mostly sunny skies will be the rule as we start our weekend. 0% chance for rain tomorrow with highs in the mid and upper 70s. We'll be right around 80 degrees on Sunday and nothing but sunshine is expected. So your weekend looks fantastic. Let's get into the specifics of tomorrow in your National Design Mart hour by hour forecast. There's the 50s early and look at that temperature trajectory. We're going to shoot right into the upper 70s. And again, those high thin clouds coming in off of that rain off to the south of us, not going to be impacting your day whatsoever. It's probably just going to add a little decoration to the blue sky, if nothing else. And it also sets us up for a great Guardians game tomorrow night, too, which I believe is also a sellout. Temperatures in the 70s, and those clear skies will certainly be welcome. Light winds once again. So it'll be a little touch warmer than what it was today. And then the rain chances. You don't get to see this very often. No rain coming in the next week, but you can see off to the right, we get that little kick that comes up. That's when we're probably going to start to see some rain chances coming back into the forecast. So another dry stretch setting up for northeast Ohio. Now let's talk tropics because there's a slight little bit of the tropical feel coming our direction. So we have potential tropical cyclone 9. That is Imelda that is sitting down here. You can see there's some robust thunderstorm development, but nothing very concentric. Whereas if you look at Umberto, this baby's cooking. This thing is rapidly intensifying. We are anticipating that to continue to intensify as we head into the weekend. Also of note, there are tropical storm watches and warnings that have been posted for the Bahamas as this storm that is currently just to the east of Cuba will continue to move northward and will likely start organizing. The circle around an L is a tropical depression. So we are anticipating a tropical depression to form in the next 24 to 48 hours as that storm moves northward. Look at this. Umberto kicking it up to a Cat 5 as the storm makes its way west. This is so cool to watch how it comes together, and hopefully it's going to end up being beneficial because as Umberto comes northward, it is going to be so close to what is expected to be Imelda, it may actually pull the storm back. So we may see Imelda as a strong tropical storm or a weak Cat 1 storm come very close to the coastline and then pull back out to the east. This is kind of the newest resolution or newest solution that's being offered by some of the forecast models. Don't look, though, at this and say, oh, they're fine, there's no problems, because there's going to be rain like crazy coming into the Carolinas potentially. Anytime we're that close to the coast, it's going to be raining. And they're also going to have wind, and we're probably going to have surf impacts all along the east coast. So it's definitely an interesting one. I'm going to let this play out. There's the storm as it's going to start to intensify. There's Umberto, and you can see how close these are, and then watch how they start to kind of interact with each other, and hopefully Umberto will continue to pull the Imelda out, but that may not be the case. Past 72 hours, it is anybody's guess as to what that thing is going to do right now. There's just not enough information. Definitely a wait and see. Meanwhile, here's our forecast. Easy peasy, right? Union Home Mortgage forecast has sunshine through the weekend. If we're going to have anything coming off of those tropical systems, it's some high clouds Monday and Tuesday. So we get off scot-free.
Wow,